background. Welcome to Beauty Busters. Hello there and welcome to Beauty Busters, where we test out internet beauty and products to see if they're a poop, a whoop, or a maybe baby, meaning it may work for some people and it may not work for other people.
But you guys, I'm so excited for this Beauty Buster.
I want you guys to relax today with me, okay? We're doing a little bit of skincare, but we have a new beauty corner. Oh my god. I have literally been designing this corner for over 5 months now. Let me know down below what you guys think. Leave me your suggestions. So today's video, first and foremost, I want you guys to be comfortable today. I put on my little robe. So for today's video, I came across this really cool product. So this is what they call the makeup fridge. Take a beautiful look at this gorgeousness. So I first came across this on Instagram and pretty much it was like an aesthetic, you guys. I saw people putting in beautiful skincare products and even like makeup and just so many cute things. And I was like,
okay, I need this for myself.
When I purchased this, there was only 3 colors available. It was white, pink, and blue.
I really wanted pink,
but it was sold out. Now you can also purchase it in purple and yellow. But you know what? I thought it would be a cool idea for me to also decorate it. So we're gonna decorate it together as well with stickers because you guys, like this is a whole aesthetic. If you're skincare obsessed like I am, I think you guys might really like this. But then again, this is my first time trying it. Do I already think it's gonna be a whoop? Yes, I do. So this retails for $79.99. A little bit pricey, but here are the interesting things about this. First and foremost, this claims to be like the most glam addition to any vanity. According to my research, their biggest claim on why you need this in your life. Most skincare products have less preservatives, which causes product to expire a lot quicker. The active ingredients will no longer benefit your skin, so refrigerating your products helps prolong the product shelf life, but cold products also helps reduce puffiness, which you know, we all need a little bit of. It's also perfect for on the go, so your products don't have to be in your refrigerator downstairs.
I just love this so much.
By the way, you guys know how I'm Beauty Busters. I always do some little giveaway. I thought that I would be gifting 3 of you guys some amazing skincare products right over here, but you have to stick to the end to see how to win. So this little fridge not only has 2 features. If you go right over here, there is a cold switch and there's a hot switch. I'm thinking like, what would I use hot things for? So my sister was like, maybe to like steam some towels. You could do your own little spa, and I was
like, oh my god, I'm living for
this. Is what it sounds like. Not bad, right? It's kind of like white noise, and you're not supposed to block this with a wall or anything like that. It has a little handle. You can actually take it on the go. It has a little lock right in here, just like that. And here are all my products. What I really want to test out, is it worth the $79.99 dollarita? Would I see myself using this? Is it functional? Do my skincare products actually feel better on my skin? Do I see a difference? This delivers a quiet 42 dB sound and environmental friendly cooling using much less energy than your traditional refrigerator. So I'm gonna put some examples of people who have also decorated their fridges. We're gonna decorate this first. I actually got these really cute stickers from a planner of mine. I wanna know from you guys what your favorite beauty products are. We're obviously gonna start with an eye because you guys know I'm eye obsessed. I gotta do it. Reveal, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I am obsessed. So cute. Now let's get on to the real deal, our skincare. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for more Beauty Busters. As always, let me know on my Instagram and on my Twitter what you want to see. If there's any hot new products, DM me, message me, tweet me, whatever you want. So I'm going to share with you guys a little bit of my skincare. First and foremost, we have a little Kiehl's Balm Mango. This has never been this cold. Amazing. It's actually my first time trying the Glow recipe. It's a watermelon glow sleeping mask. I also have my Jade Roller from Kiehl's, which is amazing for puffy eyes. Also have my little Lush Fresh Face Mask right over here. Now this is one of the things I'm actually super excited about. All of their products are usually refrigerated, especially if they're face masks. I don't refrigerate my face masks. I just kind of keep them in the bathroom. Probably not that great for their longevity, but so beautiful. My cousin Liza recommended me this. Also this little stand right here. So let's just say you have something that's a little bit taller. You can always fit that in. Why didn't I think of this before?
I love it.
Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. Put this on every single night, every single morning, right under my puppy eyes. Then we have my little Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. This smells so good, you guys. Highly recommend it. By the way, if you guys are interested in some extra content and just like daily doses of me, we currently have our Audi Squad memberships, which is pretty much a paid subscription where you get extra content, free perks, discounts to my merch. I also sent you guys goodie bags last month, which I got a lot of fun reactions from. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link down below, or you can just click that join button right next to subscribe. This is my favorite cream of all time. Savannah Bee's Royal Jelly Body Butter. love it so much. I also have in here my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This with this and this combined is one of the only things that does not break me out. Like, it keeps me good. We have this one right here by Sweet Chef. Thank you guys for sending me this. We also have this one that I purchased yesterday. It looks so interesting. And of course from Tarte, we have under eye rescue patches. I literally feel like I need a little bit of a bigger fridge. Other products that I would like to put in here, but this didn't fit. You see, Hazel spray, the rose water one, a lot more. My Glossier perfume, which is absolutely amazing. If you want to know what I smell like, it's Glossier. So I just asked you on my Instagram to ask me anything that you want. I'm first gonna use these little things because I've never actually used this in my life. One question that I often get asked is, how are you such a calm person? I think a lot of people think I'm much more calm than what I really am. I'm not. It all just comes back to me just being grateful with like my life. It all just comes back to me just being grateful with like my life. I'm not someone to play the blame game. I don't deal well with that stuff. Oh, this feels so nice. And cold. I practiced gratitude a lot, and that was something that was really instilled in me. I grew up with a lot of my aunts living with me, so I had a lot of really strong female women in my life. I got to see and learn a lot of lessons from them, and a lot of what was instilled in me was the lesson of, you know, your life may not be perfect, but if you just see the things that you are grateful for, if you just take in this moment, because it's never gonna happen again, like, just be grateful. If you have a grateful heart, I feel like life is just so much more beautiful. Woo! All right, so this is pretty bomb. I got some questions in. I'm gonna try this little Kiehl's lip balm right now. Nice and cold. Jennifer is asking me, what's your favorite store to go to? My favorite store to go to that I'm always happy in is either a bookstore like a Barnes & Noble or a Books A Million. Also, I really love going into Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters. Just like love the whole aesthetic, the whole style.
I need more self-care days.
All right, I think I am good with this. I don't know if I look any different. Oh, but I feel different. Okay, another question. Are you and Dennis thinking of getting another dog? Yes. Oh my God. So we are currently looking into a dog. Now the thing is, I want a dog that is going to be Jupiter's good friend, his good pal. I think the hardest thing for us has been deciding what kind of dog we want. We're kind of set on a pug though. Okay, what am I doing here? I recently got this little thingy-majiggery, and I think it's so great because I'm not one to really be light when it comes to face masks.
Wow, I just totally put this backwards.
I'm going to use the Lush Don't Look at Me. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so alive. As many of you guys may know, I just recently had surgery. It's been a little bit tough to get myself around to creating that video. It's something that means a lot to me. It's very personal in my life. Who better to share it than with you guys? I just feel like a huge obligation to share my story. Is it hard to keep up with your YouTube channel? I recently decided to take it slower with myself. I was posting 3 videos a week. I just feel like creatively I was quenched and it was a really hard schedule to keep up with. I'm also constantly traveling. I want to be able to travel just for pleasure and for fun. It's been much more manageable, let's just say, with 1 video a week. I've just been so much more relaxed. Dennis and I are super happy. We have time for ourselves. Love the way this looks. Are you pregnant? No, I'm not. How long have you been married? Dennis and I have been married for over a year now. We're just getting around to editing our freaking marriage video, which has been so long, and it's done and it's gonna be posted on this channel. So I posted this picture and I asked you guys where you prefer to see that video, on my main channel or on my vlog channel, and surprisingly my main channel won by a lot. I was kind of shocked. Oh my God, I am living with this. This is just my aesthetic right here. This stickers pink and blue. And a robe. This feels so much better than what it usually feels like today. This is an experience, you guys. Like, that is what I have to say. In which state do you live? I'm actually in Orlando, Florida. Every single time anybody sees me in Florida, people are like, what are you doing here? And I'm like, I live here. And they're like, I thought you were in LA. Dennis and I had actually considered it for some time. We decided it just wasn't for us. We're really happy living here next to our family and everything. Crystal asked, do you have a hair or makeup routine for special occasions? I always do the bronzy gold eye, nice lashes, fresh skin, nice and glowy, bronze. I do a lot of glow. I'm all about the glow. So I've been dabbling with the idea of kind of throwing in a few makeup tutorials on this channel. I don't know if that's something that you guys want to see, so let me know. You are so in love with yourself. I want to be like you. How do you do it? It has been a long work in progress, to have a really positive self-talk. I think that's really what it comes down to. What is your internal dialogue with yourself? Oh, I'm stupid, I'm dumb, I'm ugly, I'm fat. Hey girl, you look good today. You got this. I know, I'm proud of you. Have a good dialogue with yourself. I think that's very important. And also taking care of yourself. For the longest time, I didn't take care of myself. Once I started to prioritize myself, I feel like I was much more aligned with like my true self. You need to set time for yourself. Do you like to dance? Girl, I love to dance. This is kind of weird, but I've always wanted to do pole dancing. When I was 15, there was always this pole dance class in Zumba class, like right after my class. And I've always wanted to try pole dancing classes. I'm definitely gonna do some belly dance classes. I would love to do some hip hop, you know? I feel like salsa is really fun and stuff, but it's kind of easy to pick up. I feel like Dennis needs to learn how to twirl me. How do you start your self-love journey? You inspire me to focus on myself. Oh my God, that is beautiful. That is the main thing. It's like just deciding that you want to start loving yourself unconditionally. Which I would also say journaling is such a big exercise that has helped me personally. Exercising self-love is very important. Positive affirmations, listening to positive people. Of course, always bettering yourself. You don't want to stay the same always. I'm always someone that I want to consistently be growing. Have a good group of people that always wants to be growing. Okay, I'm gonna go take this off because I am starting to cry. Hey, you guys, I am back. Oh, my skin feels so good. Booty soft, like baby booty soft, you know what I mean? All right, so usually right after a face mask, my skin feels like it's going to die of hydration. Oh, wow, look, I was literally getting crusty here. I literally need hydration ASAP. I always start off with this. Oh, it's so nice and cold. I wish you guys could feel this. It is incredible to go in with this face cream. Guy asked, what made you motivated to spend time with Jesus? God has been so good to me. You know, my journey has been very much like this, on and off. God has pushed me back with whether it's like hardships or I'm definitely gonna get my period. Hardships or blessings in disguises or just things that I'm like, oh, why do you take care of me like this? Like, I don't want to cry because Dennis is over there, and then if he hears me, he's gonna be like,
oh my God, Natalie, are you serious?
This year particularly, I have seen him work. Sorry, my editor's probably like, what the this isn't gonna work if I shed tears. I'm gonna roll the tears away, okay? I just feel so grateful to know God. I still have a lot to learn, but he has helped me through it all. And so how do I make time for him? I've started to implement morning times with him. Me and Dennis pray every single night. Dennis isn't very religious at all. He really isn't. I've obviously prayed a lot on him because he's my husband and I love him and whatever. I've seen him become more comfortable with like prayer. Oh, this feels so nice.
Girl therapy right here.
Girls or boys, because everyone's welcome to the club. This feels so nice. And I recently purchased a book. Pretty much just takes me through a little weekly journal, asking me questions about like, you know, what are things and activities that don't get you closer to God and how can you remove those and how could you improve? It just makes you think a lot about life. I'm all about all those like self-help exercises. So yeah, that's what motivates me to continue spending time with Jesus, is because I owe my life to that. I just feel so good. Is my skin glowing or is it just me? Is it my heart? I'm gonna put some of this little oil on. Highly recommend you guys to have a little self-care day. Could you post an office tour on your main channel? Yes, that is one that I really want to do. I just feel like the office is never ready. We moved in here, I think in January. Yeah, so it's only been like 2 months. I was wondering if you could show us more ways to be relaxed, like yoga videos. I'm actually surprised. And I'm kind of like realizing now that you guys are really associating me with like relaxation, pampering, and self-care, confidence, and it's so nice. And I would love to do that. I just have to figure out like, okay, what do I really want to show? Nighttime routine, like my morning routine. I think it's important to have a routine. I've really established one recently because that is like the key to like prioritizing yourself. Final thing that I usually do is I spray my little witch hazel. I love the name of it. And I like to smell good, so I'll spray a little bit of this on my hair. Just because I like it. I mean, this is a whoop. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Do you think it's a whoop? I definitely think it's a whoop. I am loving this. This is gonna be right in my bathroom. And I wanna tell you guys about the giveaway. So I'm gonna be giving away to you guys some of the best skincare products that I personally love myself. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, you tag 2 friends in this picture, and comment below what other videos you would like to see from me. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very relaxing just Q&A session with me. I hope that you guys take time today and prioritize yourselves, whether it's your mental health, your physical health, your spiritual health, tell to just align with yourself. I hope that you have a beautiful day, that you know that you are amazing, that you are beautiful, that you are worth it. I'm sending you good vibes.
I think I'm gonna start doing this from now on.
If you're not subscribed to this family, please be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. If you want to keep talking to me, you can follow me on my Instagram or on my Twitter. I'm always connecting with you guys on there, sending you guys personal DMs and stuff. If you want extra content and extra perks and just extra stuff from me, you can become a part of our Audi Squad membership. I'm gonna leave the link down below, or you can click the join button right over here. I want to wish you guys an amazing day, and as always, don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.